Welcome to Green PMF Presentations. My name is Jeff Baker and our contact information is below. We hope you enjoy the tutorial that's about to follow. Hello and welcome to our KdenLive green screen tutorial. As you can see, I've got a blank project which I've just dragged a couple of clips in to use for this example, and I'm going to choose that one. I think it looks quite nice, and I'm going to use that as my main movie. So I click that and drag it and put it into video 1. And now what I'm going to do is take my green screen clip and put that into video 2. There's a slight time difference, that might be what you want. I personally, on this occasion, fancy them being the same length, so let's trim that. Now you'll notice that you can see his green screen. That is because the green screen clip is sitting on top of the mainstream, the main clip. So what we need to do now is let's do some filtering. Now I know, let's just pick a completely random point in there in this example, and there we go, we've got something happening. So now what we do is click on effects, and we need to add a chroma key. Now to make it easier to find, if we type in CHR, you'll see there's a couple of options there. The only difference between them is one has a lot, I think it's that one, has a lot more options and is a lot more powerful than the simple one. The simple one in most cases I find actually does the job that I need anyway. And so I'm going to take that and I'm going to drop that into my green screen clip, and you'll notice it's not made a lot of difference. That's because it defaults to blue. We don't like blue in this video, we use green. So click on that. Now, a nice little feature to save you guessing exactly what green we've got is we can do this pick screen color. So turn that on and let's click on any part of the green, and that's picked that up. And if we click OK, and as if by magic most of the green disappears. But you notice we've got these little hairline traces, a little ghosting, which you've probably seen sometimes on TV, but certainly on homemade videos. Now we can do something about that to try and tidy that up a little bit, and we've got this variable called variance. Now it's guessed 150 as being a good number for us. Now on this one, if you're going to change it, it is just pure guesswork. I wish there was an easier way, but if there is, I don't know of it yet. So let's guess 150. Let's just show you what that does. How about I change that 150 down to 50, and it takes effect when I press enter, like so. And it's filtered some of the green out, but not really what we're looking for. So remember, the default it guessed was 150, so let's try 250. Oh, that's not too bad. Yeah, that looks pretty good, so we remember that. Now let's take it up a little bit more and say maybe 450. And now you'll notice, look, oh, lots of detail has gone missing, so that's filtered out a little more than we wanted. So let's go back down, let's try 400. Take a look. Everything we want is there, I think. That's probably about as good as we're going to get. So now, if we set the timeline, and I'm guessing that's play, as I haven't got my glasses on. When I wear glasses doing this, you get a nasty reflection of the monitor on the lens, so I'm guessing that's play. There we are, and our nice little animated clip is doing what we hoped. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and please check our YouTube channel and subscribe to that. We're adding tutorials and other content quite regularly there. We develop not only tutorials for using utilities such as KdenLive and iMovie, but also some of the more theoretical side of computing as well. And also check out our Wikipedia, our wiki. The details are on the slide that follows this part, and look forward to seeing you again soon. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and if you wish to find out more about us, you can contact us via the link below, or look at our Wikipedia and you'll find lots of other presentations and things that we're working on. Thank you for your time.